Metro Brands Q3 FY26 results, strong footwear sales or digital momentum drive 15% revenue growth. Metro Brands Limited reported a strong Q3 FY26 with revenue rising 15%, reflecting healthy consumer demand during the festive and wedding seasons. The growth was further supported by a GST reduction on footwear priced below 2,500 rupees, which boosted affordability and footfall. For the 9-month period ending December 2025, the company posted a 12% revenue increase, highlighting disciplined execution across its retail channels and continued expansion of its footprint. E-commerce and omni-channel sales contributed meaningfully to the growth, rising 24% during the quarter and accounting for 12% of total revenue, up from 11% in the same period last year. For the 9-month period, digital sales grew 35%, representing 13% of revenue, demonstrating Metro Brands' increasing capability in blending physical and digital retail experiences to capture a wider audience. During Q3, Metro Brands opened 35 new stores while closing 11, bringing the total expansion over 9 months to 100 new stores with 18 closures. This reflects a calibrated and disciplined approach to network expansion, balancing growth with operational efficiency. The company continues to optimize its store portfolio to maximize sales productivity and maintain a strong market presence across India. Mr. Nissan Joseph, CEO of Metro Brands, stated, "I'm pleased to see our growth momentum continue with a 15% increase in revenue. Q3 reinforces our view that long-term retail success is built through scale, portfolio depth, and rigorous execution. We are shaping a diversified platform that spans fashion, comfort, and performance, with strong omni-channel capability at its core." He further emphasized that the company's deliberate investments in brand building, digital infrastructure, and international partnerships are designed to strengthen resilience and compound growth over time. The company also highlighted key operational initiatives. Metro Active, its multi-brand sports performance retail concept, was launched in Indore, Dehradun, and Jodhpur, along with the new website www.metroactive.com. Metro Brands continues to operate 6 Foot Locker stores in India, while new store additions are being moderated due to BIS-related supply challenges faced by select external brands. Additionally, Fila footwear manufacturing has been localized in India, with 2 to 3 exclusive brand outlets planned for Q4 FY26. Under its exclusive partnership with New Era Cap, LLC, Metro Brands operates 4 stores and 5 kiosks across India. These partnerships, combined with strong digital and omni-channel growth, are helping the company capture demand across multiple consumer segments, from fashion and lifestyle to performance-oriented footwear. The company's strategic approach ensures a diversified product portfolio while expanding geographic reach and consumer access. Looking ahead, Metro Brands aims to sustain growth through continued store network optimization, omni-channel integration, and strategic partnerships. Investments in retail innovation, digital sales, and localized manufacturing are expected to further strengthen margins and improve market positioning. The company remains confident in its long-term strategy, focusing on scale, brand depth, and operational efficiency to deliver sustained value for shareholders. If you found this breakdown useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us for more detailed company result analysis.